Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I bring you guys an awesome update for our epic live wallpaper app. Now, as well as having access to my own custom-made live wallpaper collection, you can now use your own amazing creations. But before we jump into the video, I just wanted to say thank you for all of your support, requests, and video ideas. I really hope that you guys enjoy the update, and let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to get more tips, tricks, and Android customization videos. So here it is, a one-stop app for full access to my whole custom-made live wallpaper collection. If you haven't already, make sure you grab it from the link below. As well as housing my own custom live wallpapers, I've made sure to include high-res hand-picked images catering for each and every one of your tastes. So make sure you browse around. And now, with this update, when you head into the live section, which houses all of my latest custom live wallpapers, there's now a new quick access banner right at the top. Using this, you can now easily select your own videos or live wallpaper creations and have them set as your phone's background. This will work for any MP4 video file that you have, whether that be a clip, game trailer, or an entire movie. But as a side note, because this works natively using your phone's live wallpaper service, for the best results, you want to make sure your videos are resized or cropped in to match your screen's aspect ratio. For a quick guide on how you can do this, check out the video in the top right corner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this new feature, and don't forget, if you want more Android customization tips and tricks, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.